Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make 3D CAD model of belt pulley system. The sequence of the video is as follows. First we will create the pulley and make holes, and then we will perform fillet, and then we will assemble these pulleys and we will connect the belt in it, and finally we will perform the motion study analysis on this. So let's begin. First of all, select file, click on new, select part and click OK. Select a center line, select this front plane and make a horizontal line at 0 degree like this. Then select the line again, make a vertical line at some distance and make a sketch like this. Okay, now select the smart dimension. The distance between these two lines is 20 mm. Make sure the unit you have selected is millimeter, mmgs. And then from this line to the center line, the distance is 150 mm. Okay, similarly the distance between these two lines is 150 mm. And then distance between these two upper lines is 5 millimeter. And then set this line as 15 mm. Similarly this opposite line as 15 mm, and the middle line length is 45 millimeter. Okay, and now we will use the revolve boss base command. So go to features and select revolve boss base and then click OK. So the basic model of the pulley has been created. Now let's change the color plain white and apply some material to it. So I'm applying this brown color to this pulley. Okay, now go to sketch, select this face, click on sketch and make a circle here. Now go to smart dimension and set the diameter of the circle as 160 millimeter. Okay, and make this circle as a construction geometry. Okay, now select a circle and make a circle here. Now select smart dimension and set the diameter of this circle as 60 millimeter. Okay, now we have to make 4 circles. For that, select this circular pattern command, and in this parameter window select the circle, this one, and automatically 4 circle has been created. Make sure this equal distances has been selected. Okay, select extruded cut, select this through all and click OK. So 4 holes has been created, and now it's time to make fillet. For that, select fillet command and select all of these 4 edges and make the dimension as 1 mm. Select these 4 corners and then click OK. So we are done with the fillet. You can see it here. And now save this file and name it as pulley. Now it's time to close this part file and open the assembly file. So for this, click on file, click on new. This time open the assembly file. Okay, and insert this pulley that you have just saved, and insert the other pulley as well. Insert and insert the same pulley again. Okay, so now change it to plain white. Now go to sketch, select this front plane, select this point option, this one, and now select this point, okay, and now select the smart dimension and set the distance between these 2 points as 1000 millimeter. Okay, and now it's time to make axis. For that, just exit the sketch. In reference geometry, select axis, select this point, drop down this menu and select front plane, click OK. Similarly, again click on this axis, select this front plane and select this point. This axis has been created. Okay, and initially they are hidden. Expand this bar and select this option, and they will be appear again. Now it's time to align the pulleys according to these axes. For that, select this mate, select this face, it is appeared here. Okay, and select the front plane. So it's not gonna move because the pulley is fixed and we have to make it as float. So let me show you how. Right click here and select this float option, and now it can move. Okay, now it's time to select the mate option again, select this face, select this front plane, and now you can see the mate is applied. Similarly, select this face, select front plane, and the two pulleys are aligned. Let me show you. These two pulleys are aligned now. Okay, and now select this inner circle of the pulley and select this axis that we have just created. Similarly, select the inner side hole of the second pulley and select this axis and click OK. And now it's time to create belt. For that, expand this bar of assembly feature and select this belt chain. And in this window, we have to click this surface and this surface of the pulleys and drag down this and select this option, create belt, and after that click OK. Now we have to save this. You can give it any name. I am giving this as belt pulley. Okay, and now you can hide these axes as there is no more use of these axes. So right click on this and hide these axes. Now expand this bar and right click on this sketch and edit sketch. Now it's time to define the belt. Go to features and select extruded boss base. Okay, so we have to select the thin feature, this one, and let's specify the thickness of the belt as 3 mm. Okay, then select this check this option, direction to increase the width of the pulley. Okay, so it's better to select this from blind to up to surface and select this surface. Okay, similarly we have to select for the other surface, this one, and select the other face of the pulley, and after that click OK. So the belt has been defined, and just simply exit the sketch. Now it's time for the motion study, but before you just hide this line and apply any color you want. I am applying this yellow color to this, and now it's time for the motion study. So click this motion study, select the setting option and set the frame per second to some higher number. I am setting this to 30. You can specify as 30, 35, 50, whatever you like. Specify the motor direction. I am assigning it to the pulley, and the RPM is too much, 100 is too much, so specify any lower number, 4 or 5. Okay, and select this contact option. Just select these two pulleys and the belt and then click OK. Now you can click on this calculate option and then the play option. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.